Hey guys, my name is Juan. I'm over here at Hanson Motors. We're about to take a ride and drive today on a 2020 Kia Sportage SX model. Hey guys, thank you again for your time. We're here inside the 2020 Kia Sportage SX model, and I just wanted to touch bases with a couple really cool features on this vehicle. Like right now we're engaged in an active smart cruise control. It's keeping me at the distance that I set here between me and the car in front of me. So if they were to brake right now, my vehicle would brake for me, keeping me at a safe distance between me and them. It's also helping keeping me in my lane, doing lane follow assistance, keeping me following behind them. Even if we're taking a turn, the steering wheel will turn. This is going to be your all-wheel drive model. The all-wheel drive in this is going to be used the Dynamax system. So instead of giving brake pressure to the inside tire, it's actually going to give you more throttle to the tire who has most traction on the ground to help power you through the turn. This is going to be your turbo model, 2-liter turbo engine. So you're going to get 240 horsepower and you're going to get 260 foot-pounds of torque in here. Standard on the EX model and your SX model, you're going to get your upgraded Sofino leather on here. So you're going to have a nice ventilated seat, you're going to have heated seats, you're also going to have the heated steering wheel, and if you notice here it has a nice little D-shaped cup, give you more clearance for the legs when you're taking those turns on the wheel. And as you can see, Kia does a really excellent job at laying everything right in your fingertips, right where you're going to need it to be. So if you need to slow your speed down, you need to cancel out your cruise, you want to change your radio station, you can do that all here on your steering wheel. You won't have to worry about having to take your eyes off the road, mess with your display system here on the screen. It's all real easy to use. You're going to have a standard panoramic sunroof, reaches all the way back to the back seat here. You're also going to have the largest screen in the compact utility vehicles. It's at an 8-inch screen on here. You're going to have your navigation system, and also it's integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We're also going to have a 10-way adjustable power driver's seat. You also get a wireless charger here on the SX model. Hey guys, just wanted to say thank you again for taking a ride and drive on the 2020 Kia Sportage. Again, my name is Juan here at Hanson Motors.